Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to add media controls in the taskbar and simplify Windows 11 playback with a simple clicks. If you ever wanted media control player in your taskbar so you can control playback with a single click, well, now is the chance to get it. There is a project in GitHub where you will be able to use that to control your media players. It is a lightweighted Windows 11 application that lets you control media playback directly from the system tray. Either from here you will be able to use, or that can be placed on this taskbar. For that, just open your browser. Just open this link in your browser. I'll share the link in the description. You can copy it from there. Now, once you are inside this page, go down and then download this application, Taskbar Media Control Setup.exe. Just download it. It's a small application with just 2.39 MB of size. Just download it. Now once downloaded, just run this exe. Sometimes you might require a .NET update. So you can download that also. It will prompt to download the .NET 8.0 desktop runtime update. So you can download and install it. Now just run the application once again. Now once the installation is complete, you can just go to the system tray. You will be able to see the media controls here. Now if you want to place these controls in the taskbar, what you have to do is to just click and drag it to the system tray. Now you can see that it is there in the taskbar. Now you can add one by one to the system tray. Now you have all three in your taskbar. And that's it. You have the media control in your taskbar. And this media control have previous, play, pause, and next, which is easy for you to control your media apps. I'm just running a video. See, I can easily use it from here. So cool, right? So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.